As some of you may know, for the past 2 years I have been restoring a wartime German motorcycle from 1940. This motorcycle is an incredibly rare and hard to find example. Only a few hundred were ever produced during the war. It has been a very challenging and tedious project, however it is nearing completion and I do hope to have it finished in the next coming months. While the engine and fuel tank are undergoing some final repairs, I've been working on gathering some final accessories to complete the bike and have it up to Wehrmacht specification. With thanks to Epic Militaria, I have finally been able to accessorize my motorcycle with a pair of historically accurate leather panniers. These were delivered within a day of ordering and arrived nicely packaged. If you're not familiar with Epic Militaria and who they are a UK based seller of military surplus and World War II uniforms and equipment. They don't just cater for reenactors and living historians, they also provide uniforms and equipment for films and theatres alongside other excellent services such as sewing and customization of Denix replicas. Being a lifetime customer at Epic Militaria, I can truly say that they're one of the best Militaria shops based in the UK. Notorious across the scene for their speedy delivery and top tier customer service, they score highly in customer reviews. But anyway, let's have a closer look at these panniers. Straight away from the box, I could already tell that these panniers were excellent quality. From the material it was made from all the way to its construction and overall proportions, I was truly blown away. On the rear of the pannier, there is a metal frame which allows you to attach it onto the motorcycle. Inside, there is a simple metal frame that lines the top of the pannier. This allows the pannier to hold its shape. The handle, which is handy for when you need to take the pannier off and on the motorcycle, shows just how thick the leather is on these panniers. The pannier can be secured by 2 leather straps and a loop and a hole locking mechanism which can be fastened by a padlock. I managed to pick up a pair of period correct locks to complete the look. These fit the metal hooks perfectly. As you can see, the stitching is absolutely faultless and neatly done. Epic Militaria is the only company in the UK to sell the panniers in natural leather. This is fantastic as it gives you the option to dye it in any shade of colour you would like. As shown here, using a leather dye, I've already dyed one of them in a dark brown colour. I have also hand painted the bike's frame number onto the side of the pannier. This was done so you knew which bike each pannier belonged to if it was removed to undergo repairs or maintenance. A white strip has been painted on the side to denote it as the widest part of the motorcycle to passerbys. Although I'm still collecting some more items to complete my motorcycle, you can pack a lot inside with plenty of room to spare. Overall, I'm extremely happy with the quality of these panniers and I cannot wait to show you how they look once the bike is complete and out in the field. Thanks again to Epic Militaria for their fantastic customer service, speedy delivery and overall for the excellent products that they provide. Please check out their website, link below in the description. Thank you very much for watching.